Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. In today's video, I'm showing you how do I get this Lalisa Victoria's Secret makeup look. If you guys are interested, please keep watching. Before we start, can we just take a second to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram, and let's get started, babes. So to save some time, I have already applied some concealer and contour, but I thought I'm gonna use a different bronzer this time. I'm gonna show you guys which one I use. Okay, Lalisa picture, I'm gonna insert a picture here. I think she has a very light contour. I'm gonna mix these two. It's actually kind of light. Guys, actually in reality, I do this just to make sure everything is blended. As you can see, it's very light. Okay guys, I try my best with this lighting, and that's the best I can get. Using the Huda as always. Before we set, just make sure there's no creasing. Guys, you know when there's like a little pimple, you can just draw a little more. So that's it for the setting stage. Next, we are gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna bring you guys up close. I'm not overdoing it today, so just a little bit. The makeup looks so good. Obviously, Ariel did her makeup. Like, what do we not expect? And I think he even drew, it's called aegyo, a new brows product from TikTok shop a few days ago. Now just brush it off the powder and let that brows dry. Let's do our nose contour first, because I want to wait for the brows to dry. I think her makeup game is the most important bit. Is the eyeshadow, her lip color. I've been loving this little trick. If you feel like it's too much, you can just blend it with your finger. I'm gonna use a little bit of Dragon Beauty. Wow, it really just like so good. Wow. Okay, not too much because I don't want my eye and the eye to crack. Let's just zoom you guys in for the brows. I don't know, I think like on my hand I can see the stroke, but on my eyes, on my brows, I don't see anything. It's always like this, guys, whenever you want to try something new. See? My OG is better. I think this is more like a detail pen, not like on its own. Well, for me anyways. Let's just clean it up. Oops, too much. I think for brows, any tidy brows will do. And I think there's still a bit of gap here. Okay, I'm liking it, I'm liking it. Okay, so she definitely did the aegyo. Is it called that little eye bag thing? See, there's a little bit of a pink and purple glitter there, but let's just do the basic first. I'm using Patrick Ta palette. I think this shade is perfect for her look. I'm using the transition shade, these two. I think he used a lot of earth tone and then some pink glitter. Most importantly, I think, is her eyeliner. I'm just gonna use these two shades. I think he used a lot of this shade to blend it in. The base is kind of similar to what I normally do anyways, but with a hint of purple, I think. I would say the makeup look is very much like a natural, and then with a pink purple glitter, just to add a bit of a femininity to the look. I would say for the outer corner, to deepen the eyes, use the dark brown, and then most importantly is this shade to blend. Just don't be too heavy-handed. Honestly, Patrick Ta palette is always on point. But now let's blend everything together. I really want to try his other palette, which is all matte. But I'm just like, oh, I already have the makeup on my real one. So I can see from the picture, there is a little bit of that tone at the bottom. Shade. I just put the color on the outer half and just blending it. I'm gonna blend it with a little bit of a pink shade. This is from Morphe palette. It's two-tone because I think that will bring the whole look together. Actually, a tiny bit of this too. Just kind of bring out the innocent vibe. It's already more like youthful, more playful. I know that Ariel, he loves to use eyeshadow as a blush, so we might do that later. Just a little bit. Let's brighten the inner corner first. A matte shade. A matte shade, like white. And then maybe a bit of this. It's already more brightened, if you guys can see. What about using the Pat McGrath? Because I think these two shades are so beautiful. I might pop a tiny bit on top. But for now, I think the thing that really suits her look is gonna use from the Anastasia palette. This shade. It's gorgeous. Then I'm gonna mix it with a tiny bit of this shade from Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. This is my favorite part. Oh. Just a tiny bit. Now I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury. Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna put a little bit of this from our Patrick Ta. I'm gonna try a little bit of this shade on my hand because it's super beautiful. And this was the shade that I initially wanted to go with. This shade is very light. Guys, I'm gonna put a little bit more pink and brown back. Just kind of touch up the same pink that we used earlier. Blending everything back with the same two shades. Now, let's do the eyeliner first. I don't normally use her eyeliner is really black, so I would say infuse with a black eyeshadow and then a little bit more brown on top. I want it to be infused a bit more. Okay, I think we are good. Okay guys, I found the perfect one. I used a little bit of this from the Pat McGrath palette. Pink shimmer. I think that's good. It's a good mix. So I'm gonna just do the eyeliner on the other eye. Let's do a little cleanup moment. Okay, I think they're perfect now. It's looking like this. Then we're gonna do a little aegyo. Then we're gonna use a little bit of contour shade from Calvin Klein. And then we're gonna use a bit of this shade from Patrick Ta. I need to clean this. I have never done this step, so I think you need to smile to do this, by the way. Okay. Oh god. I think I went back to being 16 again. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighting shade at the front. Like a white shimmery shade. Guys, looking at Lisa's picture, I think Ariel actually drew half of her eyeliner. So I'm gonna just draw a little bit of the eyeliner. Just draw onto here. I just put some mascara on. I'm gonna draw a little mole because she has a little mole. I have a freckle here. I'm just gonna draw here. Wow, I have not seen myself with an aegyo. Like, I'm so not used to it. Okay, anyways, so I know makeup by Ariel, he loves to use blush from the makeup palette. I'm gonna use the same shade that we put on the eye. Her blush, I think it's quite pink. Let me see. I think I'm gonna use this pink shade as highlighter. I'm gonna add a little bit of my usual highlighter. Okay. So her lips is very much pink in the middle and a little bit more brown on the edge. I'm gonna take a bit of this and this. I used a bit of a dark brown on the edge. Then her gloss in the middle is basically super nude pink. I'm just gonna use my usual, which is actually kind of nude pink. It's the most nude that I have. So we're gonna pop that in the middle. Guys, I love this so much. I already bought another one because I'm finishing this. I think we are done, guys. Let me see. Okay guys, so the look is finished now. I think I did not bad. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram. Leave a comment down below and tell me, do you guys think I did well on this look? Do me and Lisa look like twins? Leave a comment down below and let me know, and I will see you guys next time. You can also click one of these videos to watch my Victoria's Secret reaction video. See you guys next time.